Hello friends, welcome to my another video. In this kitchen and home review, we tested Amazon kitchen gadgets, so you don't have to. We always like to add innovation to our videos. So if you like the video, be sure to subscribe to the channel and comment, and share. These smart gadgets make cooking simple, fast, and stress-free for everyone. Perfect for beginners, busy parents, and home chefs who love practical solutions. From chopping to storing, these tools make every step easier. Trending now on Amazon, TikTok, and Temu, and they actually work. Each product is affordable, durable, and designed for everyday cooking needs. Say goodbye to complicated gadgets and hello to effortless. So let's start the video. Pump Spinner. Healthy made easy. Our Pro Pump Salad Spinner makes it so easy to prepare nutritious foods every night of the week. Large Salad Spinner helps you to clean and serve salad greens and other produce, including fruits and even berries, in seconds. Multiple uses. This lettuce spinner is more than just a device for quickly rinsing and drying produce. Use the basket separately as a colander, and the clear plastic bowl can be used as a large salad bowl or mixing bowl. Enough for everyone. The generous capacity of our salad spinner, 6.65 quart bowl, 5.25 quart basket, means you can put in enough food to feed your entire family. So easy. We know you're busy when it comes to making meals, so we've engineered our large salad spinner for convenient one-handed operation. Simply push down on the spinner mechanism to begin, then tap the brake button when done. Ninja DZ201 Air Fryer. 2 independent baskets. The original air fryer with 2 independent baskets, the XL air fryer lets you cook 2 foods 2 ways at the same time, eliminating back-to-back cooking like a traditional single-basket air fryer. Smart Finish Match Cook. Dual-zone technology allows you to choose between the Smart Finish feature, which unlocks cooking 2 foods 2 ways that finish at the same time, and then a Match Cook button to easily copy settings across zones for full 8 QT capacity. 6in 1 functionality. Includes 6 versatile cooking programs: air fry, air broil, roast, bake, reheat, and dehydrate. The baskets can be washed in the dishwasher or by hand. XL capacity. The 8-quart air fryer capacity lets you fit mains and sides at the same time for making quick family meals, or up to 4 pounds of French fries or chicken wings. Kitchen Large Dish Drying Rack. Extendable rack. Kitchen kitchen dish drying rack with an extendable design can be adjusted to fit different kitchens. It measures 19.2 to 26.7 in length, and from 12.9 W*7.2 H. Please choose the appropriate size according to the length of your kitchen countertop. Easy to install clean. Kitchen dish drainer is easy to install with the attached installation manual. In addition, with the waterproof coating, the rack is also easy to clean. The water pipe can also be disassembled for cleaning. Rustless, fingerprint-free. Made of material, Kitchen dish drying rack is free of rust and fingerprints. Tips. Water may not drain smoothly if the sink edge is above the counter. Anti-slip silicone caps. The 4 anti-slip silicone caps can effectively prevent the large dish drying rack from slipping. And there won't be any scratches on the counter as well. Hamilton Beach Electric Hand Mixer. No more lost beaters. The snap-on storage case that comes with the Hamilton Beach hand mixer neatly holds the 2 beaters and whisk in one easy-to-find place, reducing the chance that the attachments are lost or misplaced. Easily handles a variety of recipes. With 6 different speed options plus a quick burst button for an extra burst of power when you need it, this electric hand mixer prepares every recipe with ease. Everything you need to start mixing. This hand mixer comes with 2 traditional beaters and a whisk that are dishwasher safe. After mixing, simply press the speed dial to eject the attachments from the mixer without getting your hands messy. Powerful mixing performance. The 250-watt peak power motor provides all the power you need for every mixing job, whether you're adding chocolate chips and nuts to cookie dough or making fluffy whipped cream. Cooking torch. Safe, sturdy creme brulee torch. The safety lock could prevent accidental ignition. Also, the ergonomic design provides comfort to your hand and keep away from the flame. The aluminum alloy material adopted makes it more resistant and sturdy. Refillable portable. This butane torch lighter can be refilled after running out of use, with 3 butane adapters included, It's compatible with all types of butane tanks, whether with long or short nozzle. This mini butane torch is small and lightweight, easy to hold. Butane gas not included. Versatile. You can easily control the flame temperature according to your needs. Max 1,371 degrees Celsius per 2,500 degrees Fahrenheit, such as caramelizing food, soldering DIY jewelry, cooking, barbecue, baking, brulee, cream, DIY soldering, bar cocktails, camping, and craft. Bella 2-Slice Slim Toaster. Slim design, big impact. With a sleek 3.58 profile, the Bella 2-Slice Slim Toaster fits comfortably on any countertop without taking up much space. Part of our Fits Anywhere kitchenware collection, it's the perfect blend of style and practicality. One long slot for versatile toasting. The extra-wide, 10-inch long slot accommodates 2 slices of bread side by side or thick artisan breads like bagels, baguettes, and Texas-style toasts. No more squeezing or cutting, just perfect toast every time. Toasted perfection. 6 shade settings with a convenient cancel function allow you to customize your bread to your exact preference, from lightly golden to dark and crispy. Achieve your ideal toast with just a simple turn of the dial. Easy cleanup, clutter-free countertop. The removable crumb tray slides out for quick cleaning, ensuring your smart toaster stays tidy and operates efficiently. Astercook Knife Set. Multipurpose Knife Set. This kitchen knife set includes 8 chef knife, 8 slicing knife, 7 Santoka knife, 8 serrated bread knife, 5 utility knife, 3.5 paring knife, kitchen shears, and 6 PCS blade guards. Anti-rust coating. The healthy anti-rust coating protects the knife from oxidation and dishwasher safe, while the non-stick coating ensures the blades stay clean all day long. Easy to carry. Each knife comes with a blade guard for safe, compact storage in your kitchen cupboard. These knives are also easy to carry when camping or storing in your RV. Perfect holiday gift. Ideal for kitchen enthusiasts or new cooks, this knife set meets all cooking needs. It makes an excellent holiday gift for family, friends, lover, and colleague. Lifetime warranty. Every knife set is backed by rigorous quality inspection. We provide a lifetime warranty for every customer, ensuring superior customer service and peace of mind with every purchase. Adjustable Mandolin Food Slicer. Adjustable Mandolin Slicer. This mandolin slicer has an adjustable blade that allows you to slice different fruits and vegetables with ease. Dishwasher safe. The slicer is made of durable stainless steel and is dishwasher safe for easy cleaning. Swap cutting modes. The slicer has a dial that allows you to easily switch between different cutting modes like slicing, dicing, and julienne. Cut-resistant gloves. The slicer comes with 1 pair of cut-resistant gloves to protect your hands while slicing. Versatile kitchen tool. This mandolin slicer is a versatile kitchen tool that can be used to slice a variety of fruits and vegetables like potatoes, tomatoes, carrots, and onions.